I'm at the main dashboard for my Home Assistant. And if you haven't installed this already, you can check out this guide and I'll walk you through the steps. In this video, we're going to be going through the steps to integrate Unifi Protect inside Home Assistant. There are some prerequisites that you need to make sure that you understand before we get this installed. I'll make sure I link this down in the description below so you can make sure that you meet all the requirements before we get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to create a local user. Now, if you're using the Ubiquiti single sign-on cloud user, that will not work. It's recommended that you create an administrator or user account that has read and write access. That's just to get the most out of this. So I'll be going ahead and I'll be doing that right now. So this is my IP address. We're going to click on Advance and then it's safe to proceed here. And this is going to bring us to the login window where you're going to want to enter in your username. Okay, and now I'm at the main dashboard. So over here on the left-hand side at the bottom, we have a section called People. I'm going to click on that. And this is where my users are. I'm going to create a new one over here at the top. And it's going to be a new user. I'm going to give it a name right now. All right, and it's going to be admin, and then we're going to have a predefined role. We're going to unselect that. I'm going to use restrict to local access only. It's going to ask me for a username and password, and it has to be at least 12 characters. And you have the predefined roles that are over here, which I can select the protect admin, which is what I'm going to want. Or if you want to get into some more detail, you can go ahead and do that. I'm fine with a predefined role, and I'm going to be selecting a protect admin. So I'll select that. I'm just going to be leaving everything as is, and we'll click on create. And it now pops up over here as a user in my list. Now what the instructions are telling you to do is that you should be able to go over to the protect section over here and then go down to settings and control plane, and you should get an API section. But if you don't get it, you can go ahead and enter in this specific URL, which is going to be the IP address of your device /protect/integrations, and you'll get this window right over here. I'll make sure I link that path in the description. It's definitely going to be required in order for you to get to the next step. So what we want to do is create a new API key, which is going to be clicking on this button right over here, and we need to give it a name. You can give it any name that you'd like. I'm going to just call it Home Assistant. And if you want to put in a description, you can have that. You can also choose an expiry. I'm going to leave mine as never expire. And then we'll click on create. And now we get a key. This is going to be a unique key to your system. You shouldn't use anybody else's. Definitely use one that's just for yours. You can click on copy key, and we have that copied, and we can go ahead and now close out of this. And we need to use this API key along with the username and password that we have created inside our Unifi Protect. I'm going to scroll down a little bit over here just to make things easy, and I'll make sure I link this down below, but this is a button that I can click on that's going to allow me to integrate it into my Home Assistant. I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and we're going to open up our Home Assistant, and it's asking me if I want to set up Unifi Protect. If this option does not work for you, we can go ahead and go into settings over here, and then we can look for devices and services, and then we can click on add integrations. We can type in Ubiquiti. Here it is in the list. Go ahead and select that, and we're going to be selecting the Unifi Protect. This is the page that you want to get to. So the IP address is going to be the host IP for your Unifi Protect device. The port is 443. This is default. I'm going to leave that the way it is. Now we're going to enter in that new username and password that we just created. Then we're going to be putting in our API key. So I'm going to go ahead and paste that in there. And that's everything that we need in here. We can go ahead and click on submit. If you get a fail to connect like I am, we're going to toggle this off and then click on submit. So it's found a few of my devices. What I can do is I'm going to set up my doorbell, which is right over here. And I'm just going to put in foyer. The rest I can configure later on. I'm going to click on finish. And now we have everything set up. If I go back over to my main overview page and I click on the foyer, my front door camera is now available. I can click on it and I can see it in high resolution, and we have that up and running. So that's how you do it. That's how you add the Unifi Protect integration inside Home Assistant. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please smash that like button. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one.